All right, here we go. Got the old trans funnel. About to pour 3 gallons of fluid. Hopefully it doesn't go on the ground. Check under the truck and watch for me.
All right.
Oh man, I almost screwed up. I didn't put my bottle of lube guard in.
That wouldn't have been good.
Yeah. So far, so good?
Yeah.
All right, gallon 1. All right, let's go number 2.
Oh, you already put 1?
Yeah, I already put the first gallon in.
Okay.
Yeah, that's. They didn't have 3 the same, so I had to buy 2 of one and 1 of the other.
Okay.
But it's all Dexmerc 3. So why didn't you get 6? Because 6 is $40 a gallon. This is $25. And the car only came with 3 in the first place.
Yes, indeed.
Turn the truck on?
Yeah, go ahead, turn it on. All right, loaded question. Do we got red under the truck? Let's see. Nothing dripping. So far, so good. All right, that was the first worry.
Pretty good.
Was it gonna leak? All right, here goes nothing. Put your foot on the brake. Drop it all the way down 1. Let off the brake. That's fine. Let off the brake. Oh, it's moving. We got it rolling.
Yes, indeed.
All right, put it in the drive. I didn't say press the brake. Just shift it. Next gear, put it in D.
Indeed.
I give it a little bit of gas. Yep, that's 2nd gear. That's 3rd gear. Alright, let off the gas. Let off. I went in overdrive. Hit the brakes. Alright, put it in park.
Yeah, I think you got it, man.
I think I freaking got it, bro. Man, how about that? And a drip and a nut.
Well, first time.
First timer, bro. Alright, let's go take it for a ride and see what she do. Let's see what it does. It's tight. It feels good. Dude, I'm really just done.
Yes, indeed.
Right here. That's neat. 3rd. 2nd. 3rd. You don't drive about it. The brakes are rusted over and set up so for long enough on that wheel.
You know, this.
Smooth old truck, you know? Yeah, he's gonna use it for downshift tonight. Second gear. Did I drive it?
Yes,
Ain't
indeed.
working too bad, man. I don't know if there is a braking procedure on a transmission if you just put it in and it works. But right now it's working. I just got to get the shifter cable adjusted correctly. Right back in reverse. Huge. Right in the drive, nice and smooth.
Go ahead, then, man.
I don't know about the man. It worked out. That might have been them right there. Rolls out all right.
Mm-hmm.
That was
up to
60?
60, yeah.
Sound good, too.
It is nice and quiet.
It's 8-cylinder.
Yeah. 4.8. Pull it back on the concrete and see if there's any leaks underneath.
Right.
What's that? Man, it worked.
Suicide doors. Jesus. No, the truth. No leaks at all. None.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and call that done. We're finished with the O2 Sierra 4L60E trans swap. We got a new converter, new pump, all new clutches, and every rubber part in that whole transmission is new. The bearings looked good and the planets looked good. All the play was in check, nothing really wiggled a whole lot, and the feeler gauge helped out a lot. I didn't really do that on camera because there was a lot of reading involved. I thought y'all would be bored with it. Thank y'all for watching Modified. I really appreciate that. I'm over 327, 330-ish on the subscribers. I'm growing, at least 10 subscribers a week. That's awesome. Thank y'all for watching me. That's great. I try to do a long episode every Friday, multiple shorts during the week, and we're gonna try to get on something fun now because the money maker, it's for sale, is going to build the regular cab short bed. So thank y'all for watching Modified. Appreciate it. Check y'all out next week.